So we want to do number 33 in 12.5, which is one of these find the compositions of functions. Okay, so what do? I want to say find f composed with g, right? Okay, so that's f done to g of x, right? Okay, so I take the
Plug the function g into the function f.
Yeah. Okay, so there's a couple ways I could do this. Maybe let me do this one the other way, since we just did one in the kind of standard way. One way I could do is that I could think, all right, f's a rule, right? I've got it over there. And I'm supposed to do that to g. So that'd be 1 over, I don't know whatever the hell g is, plus 2, right? That's just me sticking g of x in for an x in f. Okay, now I know what the rule of g of x is, right? It's x squared minus 4. So I could stick that in for g. So I'd have 1 over x squared minus 4 plus 2. You guys all see this? And then I could simplify a little bit. What can I reduce?
The minus 4 and add positive, add 2 to negative 2.
Yeah, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Okay, so that's f composed with g. Now, what do I do for g composed with f? That should be g done to f of x, right?
You plug in 1 over x plus 2 for the x in x squared minus 4.
Okay, if I wanted to do this kind of the other way where I plug in the, so let me do the rule g. So g takes whatever I plug into it, squares it, and subtracts 4, right? And I'm trying to plug f in there. So maybe let me notationally write whatever f of x is plugged into the rule for g. Then I could replace the notation f with what do I actually mean by f. So I mean that I should do 1 over x plus 2, square it, and then subtract 4. Can I simplify this at all?
Yeah, you can multiply the squared out.
Yeah, I could multiply this out a little bit. I would probably personally leave it as 1 over x plus 2 squared minus 4. But certainly you could FOIL this out, and then you could find a common bottom, and then you could combine the fractions, and that would be a whole to-do. I can't say I'd recommend it, but you can do that if you really want to. Cool. Where are you stuck now?
I was wondering how you wanted the answers, so you just kind of answered that.
Yeah. So there's a bunch more work you could do here, but I wouldn't waste the time. And probably introduce the possibility of making an arithmetic mistake. Cool? Questions on this one? Okay.